I am sure you have already heard about the book. The Lekki Headmaster is the new novel for those of you that will be writing JAMB this year. So in this video, we are going to look at a summary of the book, The Lekki Headmaster. So I'm going to take you through the summary of what the book is all about. Then from tomorrow we are going to I'm going to give you a chapter by chapter summary of the book. So tomorrow I will still post another video on chapter 1, then we'll still do chapter 2. We'll still do a chapter by chapter in our channel Noble Tutorials. We are still going to do a chapter by chapter summary of the book. But let us look at what the book is all about, a kind of summary of the book, The Lekki Headmaster. You should know that the author of the book is Kabil Alabi Galba. The book, The Lekki Headmaster, is a narrative set against the backdrop of Nigeria. This engaging work offers readers an insightful look into the complex dynamics of the Nigerian educational system, while simultaneously exploring the themes of resilience, leadership, and community engagement. The book or the story is cited in Lekki. Lekki is a vibrant suburb of Lagos. If you are writing this JAMB in Nigeria, of course you should know Lagos. The novel focuses on the life and challenges of an exemplary headmaster devoted to enhancing educational standard for his students. So the Lekki Headmaster is about this headmaster. Of course, when we begin to do the chapter 1, chapter 2 summary of the book, you should be getting the names, the name of the villages, the names of people that play key role, but I'm just giving you a summary. So I'm saying the whole concept of the Lekki Headmaster is the narrative of a dedicated headmaster who faces many challenges in his endeavor to uplift his school and its students. The protagonist exemplifies integrity, passion, and an unwavering commitment to educational excellence. The storyline introduces a diverse cast of characters, including teachers. So in the story, we'll talk about teachers, parents, and students, each presenting unique background and challenges that mirror the broader societal issues prevalent in Nigeria. Okay, I hope you are following. As the headmaster seeks, this Lekki headmaster seeks to implement innovative teaching methodologies and foster community engagement, he encounters many resistance from traditionalists who are attached to outdated practices. So the Lekki Headmaster was trying to bring in newer method of doing things, newer method of teaching, so that the student could understand better. But some other students and parents and colleagues, other teachers, did not want it. Despite these adversities, he remains what? He remains resolute in his mission to empower. He remains resolute in his mission to do what? To empower both educators and students. The narrative of the book evolves around the protagonist's interactions, illuminating the intricacies of mentorship and the profound influence of effective leadership on the development of young mind. Let's look at the themes in the book. These are some of the things that JAMB will ask you. By the way, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, go ahead and subscribe now. If you want me to send you the book, The Lekki Headmaster, also go ahead and subscribe. If you want to watch our videos on as we review the book from chapter 1 to the end, also watch also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also share this video with your friends on all WhatsApp platforms that you belong to. Now, one of the themes in Lekki Headmaster is education of empowerment. A fundamental theme of the novel is the role of education as an instrument of empowerment. The headmaster contends that quality education is crucial in breaking the cycle of poverty. Right? The number 2 theme is innovation and resilience. Of course, I have told you that in the novel there were many challenges that the Lekki headmaster faced. I'm sure you don't know his name. If you know, just comment. But in the next video, I will share everything you need to know. This is just a summary. The narrative emphasizes the necessity of innovation in recovering challenges within the education sector, highlighting that perseverance and creativity can lead to positive outcomes even in difficult circumstances, right? Then the third theme and the last one we'll talk about is cultural identity. Additionally, the novel delves into the cultural nuances inherent in Nigerian society. Of course, the novel is set in Nigeria. Through the experiences of the characters, readers acquire a deeper understanding of the values, traditions, and struggles that inform their identities. The headmaster's dedication to cultivating a sense of belonging and pride among students underscores the significance of cultural awareness in education. Now, this is just a brief summary of what to expect from this book, The Lekki Headmaster. In the next video, we will be sharing ideas on chapter 1 and 2 of this book, The Lekki Headmaster. So subscribe to our YouTube channel so that when we post the video, you will be able to get it. If you want the book, let me know. Then if you want to join our WhatsApp channel, for those of you that will be running JAMB, also let me know now. Remember to watch the next video. Watch this next video right now.